comes alive. From London Bridge to Elmina, his story will survive. Laughing fantas everywhere, cracking jokes all day. Even when they're serious, they'll still find a way to play.
Hey Fante people, yeah, what do ye? Say yeah, what do ye? Charlie Fante for you special.
Kotakuraba markets buzzing, but up on the sea.
Ogi, Ogwa, Ogwa, Ogwa.
Ogwa festival calling, come and dance with me.
Ah, shake, shake it, oh.
From Kakum's canopy to castles by the shore.
Cape Coast Aquaba. September in Cape Coast, Ogwa Festival. Drums are talking, Nasa for marching, make you shout, turn up. Good schools rising, giants of the land. Addis, Adele, and Fansipim, Wesley girls we stand. September in Cape Coast, Ogwa Festival. Chale Central Region boys be sharp, Agri men no be joko. Holy child and fine girls.
Tourists walking through the streets, snapping every smile. Palm wine, fresh kenke, let's sit and chat a while. Fantas love their humor, gentle heart so free. Even when they're teasing you, it's pure hospitality.
I say let's go to Orange Fridays, Whispers or Club 161. Keep Costa Quaba, back your back.
Hey, Fante man, why you talk so slow? Because good things take time. Oh. Hey, Fante girl, why you dress so fine? Because Ogwa is always shining. From Cape Coast to Salt Pond, laughter fills the air. Education is our power, brilliance everywhere.
September in Cape Coast, Ogwa Festival. Drums are talking, Nasa for marching, make you shout, rap, wap, oh, back it.
Good schools rising, giants of the land.
Holy child, Agri memory, recipe so grand. September in Cape Coast, Ogwa Festival. Aquaba Central Atasa. Addis Adele boys on the hills.
Wesley got hair so pretty,
So pretty. Fantiland rich and proud. Ogwa, Ogwa. September sing it loud.
festival, festival. History, laughter, knowledge hand in hand. This is Cape Coast, Ghana's first capita. DJ Pakorich made it.